way through a game. Today's video I was doing unboxing on Temu. If you guys don't know what Temu is, make sure y'all go check it out. It's very cheap, affordable prices. This is not a sponsored video, but let's get started. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started. The first item I'm gonna show you guys is this. This is a car Bluetooth, however you want to call it. This was, I believe, $3.96, if I'm not mistaken. So, this is how it looked. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but this is how it looked. So, it's Bluetooth. You can turn your phone to it. You can answer phone calls while you're driving. And more stuff you can do to it. Just for y'all stay safe inside the streets. And no, I do not have a car right now, but I'm working on that next. So right now, I'm going to just where I'm at my mama. I'm going to place it somewhere. Yeah, this is what this will be used for. The next thing I'm going to use is this one. This one is these. So y'all know how people be your business, right? When y'all texting somebody or just texting regular or etc. So you get some of these. These are the privacy screen protectors. You get some of these right here. This will keep people from seeing what y'all doing on your phone, if you're texting, anything that y'all might see it, your phone. If somebody besides you, just from not see what you y'all doing, you know what I'm saying? So you get one of these, you know what I'm saying? Sorry for cursing. If kids watching this, then I'll prefer y'all to curse. But yeah, these come with three of these. And I also got, hold on, I'm very long, so it comes with a block. I hear you guys can see, and it also comes these right here. But if you guys don't need the block, just need this part here. You can always go in there and order this part. It took me, I'd say, about a week or two, because Christmas, they had like back order and stuff. Y'all know shipping be slow. So it's with by it being in holidays and other stuff like that. So, and I also got a back camera protection. Let me see if I can take it off with my phone real quick. I'm trying to see how show y'all this. But yeah, I also got a rose gold back camera. I'm gonna insert a picture of it when I post a video so y'all can see what it is. And also, I also got another phone. This is iPhone 14. I had it for, let me see. I had it for 2 months, like 2 or 3 months now. So far, I love it. I'll post an unboxing on this phone, but that is though my old phone I have. I don't know where it's at, but I'm gonna show y'all how the way it look. So I had to use this phone. I have this phone here because my old phone was going out. That was the only reason why I was not supposed to be posting on YouTube. If y'all was wondering why I haven't supposed to be posting, that's the reason why. But coming down some videos that y'all want to see, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Merry Christmas to all those, who had birthday. Happy birthday to you guys. I know it's gonna be a long time, because I'm still going through some things, you know what I'm saying? That's in life though. And hopefully by next year, I'll be in a new environment, meaning I should be receiving my own apartment soon. that is my next step. I'm working on right now. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for more notifications.